everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michaela. You can also call me Almond. I am a small streamer on Twitch, so if you want to check out my channel, it's going to be right here. Today we will be talking about the Jlabs Mic Go microphone and if it's the correct budget mic for you. We will be doing an unboxing and a review at the end, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So I know some of y'all have seen my other YouTube videos and you've seen my horrible gameplay in Valorant, and you're probably wondering, well, why are you doing this technology video? Well, I have developed a great interest in technology and building keyboards and looking at computers and PC parts. So in my YouTube channel, I wanted to start a tech series and also post some awesome Pogger gameplay and combine it into one channel. I will still be posting awesome gameplay. It's just going to take me a little bit longer to get content out for the gameplay and for technology. But aside from that, let's go ahead and jump into the video. And before I get started, I would like to mention that this is not a paid video. I did get some product from them, but I am free to say whatever I would like about that product. Now I will begin the unboxing of the Talk Go mic. Let's go ahead and talk about what comes in the box. In the box, you will find a microphone. At the bottom, it does have a control panel along with a quick easy mute button. It will also include an aluminum folding tripod stand and a USB Type-C cable along with the instruction manual. The mic is a two-directional pattern mode mic. It does have the omnidirectional option and a cardioidirectional option as well. It is compatible with Windows 7, 8, and 10, and also compatible with Mac OS 10.10 or higher. And it also has a 3.5mm aux output. Go ahead and talk about the pros. It is an easy mic to set up. All you have to do is plug into the computer. Once the light around the mic is blue, then it is on, and just make sure that it is set on Discord or on whatever app that you're going to be using. It is pretty loud. It does pick up a lot of my voice. I am about 6 inches away from it, so it's picking up all that, and you don't hear this extra background noise. I do have a portable fan blowing towards me, and I don't think you hear any of that. All right, so yeah, you can't hear the fan blowing in my direction, which I think is awesome. Another pro is that it does have a quick mute, which I think is phenomenal because some mics don't have it, especially at a low budget mic. All you have to do is push the button in the middle. It turns red. Once it's red, that means it's muted. If you wanted to tap the button in the middle and hold it to turn green, that means it's going to be the omnidirectional mode. Personally, I wouldn't recommend the omnidirectional mode. We can go ahead and test it right now, so that way you know what it sounds like. All right, my mic is now green. This is the omnidirectional mode. I personally don't think this is a great mode. This mic is not built for ASMR or for podcasts, in my opinion. It's just not set for it. It sounds pretty crappy if you ask me. Let's switch it back. And I switch it back to the cardioid mode, and you can hear how bad the Omni was sounding. It barely picked up my voice and you couldn't even clearly hear what I was trying to say, and I don't think that having 2 or 3 people around the mic, it's going to pick up all of that. So I think it's going to be definitely a struggle if you use it for podcasts or ASMR. I would recommend this mic to be used for possibly streaming as your first mic, or even just for Discord and talking to your online friends. It is a super light and compact mic. This mic is about the size of my hand if you are looking. Here is a side view. So yeah, it is about the size of my hand, and you can take this almost anywhere you would like to go. Again, it's just ridiculously light. I could put it in my purse and just walk around with it and maybe go to like an arcade and plug in the mic if I wanted to, which I'm not going to do because I don't need to do that. It is $50, so you cannot beat that price, especially compared to the Snowball. This mic has more features and a lot more to offer than a Snowball mic. If you are looking at getting the Snowball mic instead of this, I will question you, because this has a quick mute button. It has a lot of different features, and the Snowball does not have the quick mute button. The Snowball is, I think, honestly a little bit outdated, if I'm being honest with you. Although this mic is lacking a little bit of bass, I think it does make up for it with the other features that it has. Let's talk again about the background noise. Again, I don't have any filters on this mic, but if I am snapping like here, so you can hear that. And if I snap further back, that was about a foot away from the mic, and here is about 2 feet. So you do hear a little bit of the snapping from further back. If you are typing through your keyboard close to this mic, I think it is going to pick it up a little bit. But I noticed, however, if you go to Discord and turn on your noise suppression, you do not hear any of that. I tested it with my friends and they did confirm that you can't hear any of the keycap clicking noises. But if you turn it off, then you do get to hear it. However, in OBS, I have noticed that you don't hear any of the key clacking noise as well from typing on the keyboard. So I think it just depends on the situation you are in. If you are a streamer and you have your noise suppression on through Discord, other people are not going to hear the extra noise behind the mic. And if you are streaming through OBS as well, they're not going to hear the noise, and there's filters for you to filter that out. So if you are on a budget and you cannot spend $200 on a mic or $150 on a mic, I would definitely recommend starting with this mic first and then maybe upgrading later on. I will be doing another YouTube video with the 2 other Jlabs mic and an unboxing and reviewing on those 2. So make sure you stay tuned for those as well. Alright, well I think I have said everything that I would like to say about this mic in this video. You can get it from jlabs.com or from Best Buy and Target. If you do purchase through jlabs.com, don't forget that you can save 10% by using code KillerAlmonds15. If y'all have any questions, feel free to ask. Well everyone, that concludes my first ever unboxing review video. I hope you enjoy it. Please list below the comments on anything that I can improve on or anything that you would like to see. Also, let me know if you have this mic. Do you like it? Or if you don't have it, are you thinking about buying it? Or what's another option in store for you? I would also love to see y'all join my Twitch family, and if you would like to join the Crunch Bunch, the links are below in the description. And again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I hope to see you on my next video. Have a great day.